Hello, this is HK Training Center. In this time, I'll explain about kit that managing parts with set. The kit is one of newly added function in LANTEK later than version 40. This function is managing multiple part with binding up a set for customers who are making own products such as common mass production. Until now, all works in LANTEK has been managed in Order Explorer, but parts with set is managed in Kit Explorer. The way to make kit is make folder is large category like which in Order Explorer. For example, for customer who makes desk will be name of kit, and the components will be parts. After making kits of upper plate and lower legs, etc. of desk, import drawings for components in each part. If quantity of components are different, apply numbers of them separately. Import drawing and verify part for frequently used set. And finish frequently used nesting and machining also. To import the kit made like this from currently used order as full set. Home tab. Select Import Kits from Database. Then you can see Kit Explorer. Choose Kit to import. And move on to Right. If select these functions related to kit, such as import the nestings associated to the kit. Use the part material and thickness. Use part machining. All information will be imported that used in kit. The quantity of kit is quantity of set. So quantity of components will be the product of quantity of set and kit. Let me show you with examples of kit. Until now, you've learned about kit. Please use this well to manage set of parts. Thank you.